Hi, my name is Joshua and welcome to today's video. Today we want to talk about a new feature that Payload introduced in version 3.49, and that is soft deletes or a trash. And you maybe remember a video that Sandra made a few months ago about implementing a trash with the newly released, the presets filter. Now Payload itself supports trash. To showcase this, I set up a very simple collection and important activate the trash. And if you create a few documents, it looks like this now. And you can see we have a trash activator for this. If we want to delete something now, we go to delete and you will see confirm deletion, skip trash and delete permanently. If you activated the trash and now just click confirm, it's gonna disappear here, but it's going to appear here under the trash. And when you query the documents, they will have been gone. But through the magic of the trash feature, we can restore this document now. And it is there again in the list here. Now, all of this is also available in the API. And for this, I created a small demo here. This is showing all the documents that we have currently. And if we trash a document, it disappears from the active documents. It also disappears here from the list and it goes to the trash. It goes here. And of course, we can also restore the document from the API. Now, how do we do that? This page is very simply set up. We have here two functions where I get the documents and I get the deleted documents, and then I have a form element for a soft delete feature and for the restore feature. Let's look at them one by one. To get the actual documents, not a lot has changed. We just query the documents and you can include the trash false, but this is entirely optional as trash is always false by default. And this just gives you your documents as normal. If you want only the deleted documents or the trashed documents, we want to say trash true. This includes all documents, deleted and non-deleted, everything is included. Internally, Payload handles or tells trash documents from not trash documents apart by the deletedAt attribute. So additionally, we want to query whether deletedAt parameter is there, and if it is, then we know, oh, this is a trash document. So if we filter by this in trashed documents or all documents including trash documents and only the ones that have a deletedAt attribute, then we get a list of only the trashed ones. And for the delete or for the trash and for the restore action, we got this function, a soft delete document. What we do here is simply set the deletedAt parameter. This is very important. If you do payload.delete and then delete the document, it's gone. So I did this as a mistake and wondered why does it not work? Because internally Payload works with the deletedAt parameter and you cannot just do payload.delete. You have to update the document and set the deletedAt parameter. Equally, if you want to restore a document, there is no restore function. You simply remove the deletedAt parameter and the document will be restored again. Now, this is it already for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have other features that you would like us to see making videos about, then just write them in the comments. Otherwise, if you want to get updates for and about Payload, about the newest releases and features, then stay subscribed to our channel. See you.